Functional programming is a programming paradigm. Um, Most of the time, in my projects in the industry, kung nakabantayan is people or other programmers would really recommend for us to uh, use or to at least follow functional programming when coding because functional programming allows for better readability and understandability of the code. And then if there are bugs, then it's also easier to trace and fix those bugs. So before we proceed with discussing the concepts of functional programming, let's first try to understand the essence or what makes up a function in functional programming. So a function takes an input, processes it, and produces an output. For example, in this case, in the diagram below, you can see here that we have an input x, then we have a function f, which takes that input x and then does some processing inside of it, and then produces an output called y. So if we write it as code in Python, here's a function definition in Python. I just forgot to write the function name, but anyway, this supposed function definition uh, takes up x as an argument and then does some processing on x. Then after x is processed, it's saved to y, and that y is returned. So that's basically what we mean by produces. So in terms of functional programming, always gina siya. It's a requirement that your functions should have an input and your function should have an